podcast session is about automatic street lights. They use a device called the light-dependent resistor, which is also known as a photoresistor. It is a resistor whose resistance decreases with increasing incident light intensity, which in layman's terms can be said that when you increase the light intensity, the resistance of the device decreases. You can further say that since it is made up of a high resistance semiconductor, if light falling on the device is of high enough frequency, photons absorbed by the semiconductor give bound electrons enough energy to jump into the conduction band. The resulting free electrons conduct electricity, thereby lowering resistance. Now, I would like to state that when you go out in the morning and you see there are no street lights on, you say, okay, there is enough light for us to move without a street light being turned on. But then, when after a certain while the street light turns on, you believe it is the phenomena going on inside the light-dependent resistor. Now, when the sunlight strikes the LDR, it causes a change in the resistance as stated. This change allows other circuitry to activate the light. Sometimes lightning flashes are bright enough to make the LDR turn off the light. Then it starts the turn-on process all over again. Now, research has shown that a few years ago, more pedestrians were hit by motor vehicles at night in Britain, in compared to other countries. This was because Britain used low-pressure sodium street lighting, unlike the rest of the world that used mercury vapor discharging lighting. Now, since low-pressure street lighting being monochromatic light, it shows pedestrians as shadowy forms. Now, a point to be considered is that if the top of the light pole sensor gets really dirty, this can keep the light on all day, the reason being the dirt not allowing any room for the light to reach the circuitry, hence unable to switch off. Light-dependent resistors are very frequent use in automatic street lights and are quite helpful in our daily day-to-day life. I'm sure it is a very important application of light-dependent resistor.